Throughout the year, Wildlands School has hosted the Augusta second graders. Here's just a little overview about what was done when the second grade classes came for an exciting day at Wildlands School.
Exploring Nature, second grade day number 1.
The activities we had were Fabulous Fish, Create a Pond, Bee Camouflage, Soil and Bugs, and Candy Bug Snacks.
With the Fabulous Fish group, the kids did an activity called Fashion a Fish. They were able to create their own unique fish. In doing this activity, the second grade class learned all about adaptations. With this knowledge, they made their own unique adaptations to their paper fish.
For the Create a Pond activity, there was a tarp set up with mucky water filled with lots of different bug species. The second graders used their little hands to dig through the water and collect bugs. Using tweezers, they learned about the different parts of bugs and what they are called.
In the camouflage group, the kids were taught all about different kinds of camouflage and how animals and insects use it to survive. They also participated in a bug hunt and got to explore the Nature Center.
In the soil group, the second graders had the opportunity to dig in the soil and find bugs that live there. They also learned how to identify the different parts of bugs.
At the end of the day, after all the kids had rotated through all of the activities, they got to make their own bugs out of candy, pretzels, and frosting.
While the kids were waiting for the bus, they burned some energy by running around in the field and playing games.
Overall, the day went very well and all of the second graders enjoyed themselves immensely.
Second grade day number 2, States of Matter.
The activities we did for this day were Hello Jello, Gooberific, Molecules on the Move, Dry Ice, Ice Cream, Magic Bubbles, and Energy Games.
For the Hello Jello station, the students made their own Jello. This activity demonstrated how a solid can turn into a liquid and then back into a solid.
At the Gooberific station, we let the kids play with cornstarch and water, which makes a non-Newtonian fluid. This showed the kids how a non-Newtonian fluid is a solid and a liquid at the same time.
The Molecules on the Move experiment showed how molecules move at different speeds when the temperature is different. We showed this by putting food coloring in 3 different temperatures of water.
At the dry ice station, second graders learned how the dry ice went from a solid form to a gas form.
For the ice cream station, the students learned how movement and change in temperature can change a liquid, which was the milk, into a solid, which created ice cream.
For the radical gases station, the kids played with changing snow to water and water to vapor, using all 3 states of matter in one experiment. They also played a fun game of tag involving states of matter.
Wildlands Adventures with the Augusta second graders did not just end with second grade days. We have been doing lots of other fun activities with them.
One of the new adventures is that 14 of the Wildlands high school students have volunteered to be a buddy with a second grader from Miss Kangus's class for the year. Being a buddy involves reading to our buddy and doing activities with them when they visit.
The other new thing that we have started is buddy books. A buddy book is like a journal that we will be passing back and forth with our buddy throughout the year.
The buddy books allow us to ask each other questions, get to know each other better, and it also gives the kids a chance to practice their writing in an exciting way. In this way, we become mentors and good role models to them.
Overall, this was a very positive experience for both Wildlands and Augusta. This is a program that we hope to be continuing in the future.